Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. So this is a Bar-M by Merhow 2-horse slant load bumper pull. This is stock sides on both sides. It does have the slant divider. The actual model number of this trailer is a SS-20-STK. It's charcoal in color and it's stunning. The charcoal is beautiful. I love it. So real dark charcoal. Has a gravel guard on the nose. On the front, the Bar-M logo on the front. It is all aluminum. It is 7'6" tall, 6'8" wide. It is a 2 5/16 ball. As I said, it is stock side on both sides, and you can put plexi in it if you need to, so it's plexi ready. It's got a single back door. Full rubber bumper across the back. LED lights on the outside, LED lights on the inside that work off the truck. Big and open. It's got 2 tie rings per horse stall, airflow padded divider. So I've got that open. I'm going to shut that divider back. I'm going to try to show you how all this works. This back stall is huge. So very big open. If you have 2 small horses, I think 2 small horses could potentially fit in the back. But for 1 big horse, it's going to be great in this back stall. Your other horse in the front stall. So very big and roomy. Again, 7'6" tall, 6'8" wide. So a lot of space. I'm going to shut this divider, or open this divider up, because I'm going to show you how this divider wall folds flat. You can use this trailer for other options. Possibly as a utility trailer. You can use it to haul a golf cart or a 4-wheeler or something along those lines. This is a Bar-M by Merhow. It's got a fixed step at the dressing room door. Dressing room basically has your 2-tier saddle rack, bridle hooks, spare tire. It is matted. It does have a pressure treated wood floor. Light that works off your truck as well. I'm going to open up this wall. Sorry about that. And basically, as you see, this whole entire trailer opens up. If you were to ever need it for hauling hay, wood, whatever, those saddle racks do come off. They just slide right up, pick up off that rack there. So very multi-purpose trailer. Great with the width, 6'8" wide, 7'6" tall. This gives you a lot of space. So 2026 Bar-M by Merhow. All aluminum 2-horse slant load bumper pull. Empty weight on this is pretty sure is 2250. Super lightweight. If you need a lightweight bumper pull, this would be a great option. Great little trailers. Love the color. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. We do not put pricing on our YouTube. As well as if a trailer is sold, you need to look in the verbiage of the ad. It will be marked as sold. We do leave the ads up. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.